Hello students, welcome to the Pediatric Pointers. Today's topic, precocious puberty. Central precocious puberty is diagnosed by the increased level of luteinizing hormone more than 0.3 international units per liter. And one of the causes of the central precocious puberty is the hypothalamic hamartomas. And in the hypothalamic hamartomas, it is due to the secretion of transforming growth factor alpha, which leads to the precocious puberty. There are certain other features present, which includes adipsia, that is the absence of thirst, unnatural crying or laughter, that is you say psychomotor seizures or the gelastic seizures, and there is the hyperthermia. Then talking of the peripheral precocious puberty, isosexual, in the males the causes can be HCG secreting tumors, congenital adrenal hyperplasias, which includes 21 and 11 hydroxylase deficiency, Leydig cell adenoma, and testotoxicosis, which is also called as familial male gonadotropin independent puberty. It is a familial cause of particularly male gonadotropin independent puberty. In the females, it is the granulosa cell tumor, the follicular cysts. It can be the sex cord tumors with the annular tubules, which are seen in the Peutz-Jeghers syndrome, where there is increased aromatase activity. And due to the increased aromatase activity, more amount of testosterone is converted to estrogen, resulting in the precocious puberty. In both male and female, there can be the causes of precocious puberty, McCune-Albright syndrome and hypothyroidism. McCune-Albright syndrome, remember, there is presence of hyperpigmented skin lesions, that is the Caffe-Ola macules, which can be present. There is the polyosteotic fibrous dysplasia, and there is presence of precocious puberty. Right? Hypothyroidism can also be one of the causes of precocious puberty, and the distinguished feature is in all other causes of precocious puberty there is advanced bone age, but in the case of hypothyroidism bone age is less than chronological age. That is the factor you need to remember. In the females, the causes of heterosexual, particularly precocious puberty, it is congenital adrenal hyperplasia 21 and 11. This can be virilizing adrenal neoplasm, virilizing ovarian neoplasm. It can be iatrogenic, which is the exposure to androgens. Thanks.